This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by identifying exactly what needs drivers and why that matters. Open Device Manager and look for yellow icons or unknown devices. Once done, grab the hardware ID from Properties. That string is the fastest route to a matching driver. Make sure to note your Windows 10 build and whether it's 32 or 64-bit. Drivers are build and architecture specific, so this prevents installing incompatible software and wasting time. Next, search using the vendor plus the hardware ID. OEM sites or major manufacturers are safest. Once you find candidates, verify the driver version, release date, and digital signature to avoid unsigned or outdated files. Then download the correct package for your Windows 10 build and 32/64-bit architecture, if a zip contains. In files you can install manually, otherwise run the installer. Be careful with generic driver packs. Prefer manufacturer-assigned releases for stability. Finally, install using the vendor installer or via Device Manager by pointing to the driver folder. Once installed, reboot and test the device immediately to confirm functionality. If something fails, check Device Manager for error codes and try rolling back the driver or uninstalling in safe mode. As a last resort use system, restore to return to a known good point. Keeping a backup and the original driver file makes recovery quick and avoids extended downtime.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.